15 survival foods that require no water to prepare. When clean water is scarce, having survival foods that require no water to prepare becomes essential. These foods provide energy, nutrition, and convenience in emergencies without draining precious water supplies. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 15 reliable options to keep in your emergency stockpile. 1. Canned meats, tuna, chicken, or salmon offer protein and calories straight from the can. 2. Peanut butter, rich in fats and protein, it delivers quick energy with no preparation. 3. Wax-coated hard cheese, cheeses like Gouda can last months and supply valuable protein and fat. 4. Crackers, a sturdy bread substitute, perfect with spreads or canned foods. 5. Jerky, dehydrated meat provides long-lasting protein in a compact form. 6. Trail mix, a mix of nuts, seeds, and dried fruit balances fats, carbs, and sugars. 7. Honey, natural, long-lasting, and packed with quick energy sugars. 8. Energy bars, portable and calorie-dense, designed for survival or outdoor use. 9. Dried fruits, raisins, apricots, or figs deliver fiber and natural sugars. 10. Powdered milk tablets, a water-free version of milk, supplying calcium and protein. 11. Shelf-stable sausage, cured meats like summer sausage offer fats and sodium for endurance. 12. Chocolate, boosts morale while delivering quick energy and fats. 13. Granola, nutritious, lightweight, and ready to eat dry. 14. Canned beans, can be eaten cold, offering protein and complex carbs. 15. Coconut flakes, provide healthy fats and calories with long shelf life. Choosing survival foods that require no water to prepare ensures you stay nourished without sacrificing limited water supplies. From canned meats to dried fruits and energy bars, these foods keep you strong and prepared for any emergency. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? With these lost superfoods in your pantry, you'll be able to keep your family well fed during the darkest of times. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.